Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select General Management. Here, locate Reset and mark Reset All Settings. So if you really want to get rid of all the settings on your phone except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps, just mark Reset Settings. Enter your PIN code, tap on Done, and reset. So give it a couple of seconds and it will be done. You will be able to notice and that it's rebooted. The wallpaper should be changed if only you changed it previously. And actually all the setup except those mentioned would be reset. And that's it. Swipe to unlock and use your device smoothly. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.